Hey, this is Wolf from Armoury-Terrain, and it's the end of autumn, and today it's 33 degrees, and I'm about to teach a class on how to make mushrooms. And since my workshop's as clean as it's probably going to be in a long time, I thought I'd give you a workshop tour. So, come with me. This is probably the most important station in the workshop. This is of course the first aid kit, and one of the fire extinguishers, and a bug zapper. Because here in Queensland, oh, we get bugs. Now if you follow me around this way, I have all of my cooking stuff, both for the fire outside and electric cooking stuff for melting wax and boiling water to steam hats and so forth. So here we have my bandsaw, Ryobi of course, bolted down to the table, and under there we've got more power tools, screwdrivers, screws, nuts, bolts, all sorts of things. Next to it we have my flammable gas cabinet, which you've seen in another video, and it contains all my spray paints and solvents and glues. Then as we continue around, we have my U-Butte Ryobi belt sander, which, looking at this, it needs a new sanding belt on it, and a wall of cutting. Saws, and more saws. Then as we continue around, we find some mirrors that have been left here from the last time I used them. And then my drill press, yet another Ryobi. Then on the cupboard we've got my Dremel set, and my music, and a whole bunch of leather dies and sanding tools and tapes and plaster. And then as we come around here we have my very messy workbench. Currently it's got a dragon puppet in process on it. It also has all my hand tools, and this is where I punch holes in leather. Then we have my toolbox for all my little hand tools, as well as a Ryobi station, because I love Ryobi. Ryobi, please sponsor me. You know you want to, I work for cheap. And then as we continue around further, we see I've got a vice mounted on my bench, and a second workbench that I can bang on, as well as scanning up. You can see my wall of, kitty props. And then as we go around this way further, you can see a whole wall full of materials for making stuff. And then I have trolleys. These are all on wheels. This one's just for leather work. The one next to it is filled with paint. And then behind this wall is another huge bay with boxes on both sides, floor to ceiling, and that's filled with crafting material. So that, guys, overall is Armoury-Terrain. I hope you've enjoyed the quick tour. Let's get into the mushroom making.